Everything I do, so instinctive and passionate. Every word I move, so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who blast it. Being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over facts over tracks. And that's just so speaking fast. I'm gross, I can gas it. I'm all fan ass, but I didn't know back in the race, all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're with my time, hilarious, mysterious. Because you are behind the thing, serious. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, even say them back. I want you to feel free from the change of last. And to believe in what you got, it was built to last.